Hi there, for this video, let's have a short comprehensive discussion about the salary plus the cost of living here in Taiwan. And at the end of the video, I will also share a few tips on how to spend less. And of course, if we spend less, we save more money. First, the cost of living here in Taiwan will greatly vary depending on what county or city you are currently living or. So in my case, I am living here I can only vouch for my city, which is Kaohsiung. Yes, I'm currently working here in Kaohsiung. And if you want to know about other cities or counties' expenses or living expenses, you can search this on Google. And for the salary, it greatly depends on what type of school you are currently working in. For example, if you are working in a public school, private school, cram school, or international school. In my case, I can only vouch for the salary of foreign English teachers working in public schools. So basically, nakadepende ang salary if you only have bachelor's degree, master's degree, or doctoral degree, and at the same time, your work experience natin, yung teaching experience natin. Ang nakakount lang po na experience ay yung public overseas. I have 4 years experience in private schools sa Pilipinas pero hindi siya na-count. But I've heard that there are some schools here in Taiwan na na-count private experience. But I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure about that. So let's take the basic one as an example para makompute natin yung salary, yung mga deductions, and at the same time yung cost of living natin. So let's have bachelor's degree, experience, 1 year. Kaka-start mo pa lang. So the gross salary would be 67,840. So updated po tong ating salary scale of 2024. Plus the 5,000 housing allowance or housing stipend natin. So basically, for the gross salary, you receive 72,840. In Philippine peso, times 1.8. So depende po sa palitan. Minsan bumababa, minsan tumataas. Basically, you can have 131,112 in Philippine peso. So that's a gross salary. It means before deductions. So here in Taiwan, we have 3 major deductions. Number 1, the tax. For the first 183 days, ang tax na dideduct sa atin ay 18%. So, bali 6 months po ito, your first 6 months. And then 5% and 6% depende sa school after 183 days. For 18%, tax for 70,840, you will have 13,111.2. For 5%, you'll have 3,642, and for 6%, you'll have 4,370.4. And for the health insurance, in my case, depende po ito, case-to-case basis po ulit tayo dito, depende sa school. In my case, I am paying 1,036 for my health insurance and 1,008 for my labor insurance. And I'll provide you the 3 outcomes for these. The 18%, 5%, and the 6%. So for the net salary, when you say net salary after the deductions, 18%, ito na po siya, 6% and 5%. And now let's proceed to the cost of living here in Kaohsiung. In my case, I'm not really sure if this will also reflect on other counties or cities' cost of living, but I believe at some point, hindi nagkakalayo. For house, in my case, nagabayad po ako ng 8,000. Food is 5,000, depende kung paano ka katakaw. Kung paano ka kalakas kumain. In my case, minsan, pagkain ng kain sa labas, nagiging 6,000 iyan or 7,000. Minsan, bumababa naman to ng 3,000 or 4,000. Then, transpo, meron kami ditong tipas na sa halagang 399 lamang. Unlimited na siya around Kaohsiung. Around Kaohsiung lang po. Buses, ferry boats, trains. Meron din po kami ditong 999. 3 cities naman yon, Tainan, Kaohsiung, and Pingtung. Now, depende po ulit yan per city kasi I believe sa Taipei, mahal po ang kanilang D-Pass. Pero I'm not really sure. I'm not really familiar with that. Pero iba-iba po ang presyo per city. In Kaohsiung, swerte po tayo dahil 399 lang. For the bills, electric, water, binabayaran ko dito 100 for water, Public electricity, 250. And then, yung aking electric bill, depende kung summer, kung ginagamit ko palagi itong AC. So, depende po siya. So, let's put it into 1,000. And then, I also include here others. Kapag may gusto kang bilhin, kapag may gusto kang puntahan, and so on and so forth. So, it always depends on our lifestyle. Minsan, dagdagan mo pa yan ng 10,000. So, it really depends. So, we have 3 different outcomes here for 18%, 6%, and 5% para ma-compare po natin. So, you can see in 18%, 39,000. For 6%, 48. And then for 5%, 48. Kung tingnan yung pinagkaiba nila. And then, let's count it into peso. 1.8. Take home po natin for 18%. During the 6 months, you have 70,000 Philippine peso. And for the 6%, 86. And for the 5%, 87. So, depende po yan if you are also paying for your SSS, Pag-ibig, investment, St. Peter, so on and so forth. So, nakadepende po rin. Padala sa Pilipinas, padala kung saan-saan. Diba? Mga utang na pinabayaran. So, kayo na pong bahala mag-budget yan. And if you are asking on how I budget my money per month, on how I allocate my monthly salary, I have another video for that, which you can check later after this video. And you can also click it above. For that video, I also provide Excel. Simple Excel lang siya para matrack natin yung monthly expenses for the whole year. Para ma-compare natin yung saan part ka magastos, saan part ka dapat magbawas. And let's proceed to the tips. How to spend less. Based on my experiences here in Kaohsiung, disclaimer, Kaohsiung, only in Kaohsiung, but I don't know if this will really reflect in other counties. Here in Kaohsiung po ito ng 399. So yes, kung ikaw adventurous, mahilig kang gumala, para sa iyo to, 399. Around Kaohsiung ha. And then, I think ito para sa lahat to, around Taiwan. Para sa akin, ang tawag nila ay lunchbox. Para siyang buffet. Makikita mo lang siya around. So, hanap po kayo ng ganito. Para sa akin kasi siya convenient. And then, para okay naman yung lasa ng foods. And then, mas nakakatipid pa ako. Try ninyo kung mag-work din sa inyo. And then, night market. Marami kang makikitang murang bilihin during night market. Kaya kung bago ka pala dito sa Taiwan, try to know when or the scheduled date for the night market. And then, try to look also for the traditional market. Mas mura ang bilihin, lalong-lalo na yung mga nagtitinda sa street. Mas mura siya. And then, you can also cook if you want. Huwag tayong puro bili. And I think that's it. If you have any questions regarding the video and if you want me to do some more videos regarding like anything that I can offer, of course, na alam ko, just comment it down below and I'll try my best. Bye-bye!
Eh?